Hi, Luis here. I'm going to be showing you how to use edpuzzle. First, I just want to say that edpuzzle is a great way to integrate technology into the classroom by creating video lessons for children to watch on their own time. These children can learn these videos at their own pace, and teachers can cut down the time of preparation by creating one video lesson for all the children to watch, as opposed to spending time making the same lesson for all their classes. How I would use Edpuzzle in my future classroom would be by creating one Edpuzzle lesson a week, going over an in-person lesson that we already did, but that needed more concentration on. So this could be an assignment that is assigned over the weekend for students to do, just to get a little more focus on a particular lesson that was hard to understand. Now we're going to get into how to use Edpuzzle. All right, so first things first is we're going to find a YouTube video that goes over the content that I want to teach. I have one right here ready to go. Next, we're going to add a cut to cut down on time. So kids would have to watch less and would just get right to the point. Let's add a cut. Go right here.
Occasional has television fire. The multi it's applied for problem has
Doing this. Okay, we'll add the cut right here. And next we'll play it and watch a little bit.
The number being multiplied is the factor. The number you will multiply the factor by is the multiplier. You can tell because it's after the multiplication symbol or times sign, which means multiplied by. The number you get when you multiply the factor and the multiplier together is the product.
Next, we're going to add a question, a multiple choice question. We're going to say, in the following problem, which number is the multiplier? 2 times 7 equals 14. We're going to give a few choices. 2, 7, 14, and we're going to provide them with the right choice. Hopefully the kids will answer correctly.
The cake recipe calls for 2 eggs per cake, and you want to make 3 cakes. 2 is the factor, 3 is the multiplier, and the number of eggs you need to make 3 cakes, 6, is the product. You can write this as 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's multiply a larger number. Stack 12, the factor, on top of 4, the multiplier.
Now we're going to add an open-ended question. What is the answer to the problem that is shown on your screen? We'll save that.
Like addition and subtraction, you do a multiplication problem from right to left. So multiply 4 and 2 in the ones place. If you don't know the product of 2 numbers, you can check. According to the table, the product of 4 and 2 is 8. So put an 8 below the line in the ones place. Any number times 1 equals itself, so put a 4 below the line in the tens place. The answer, or product, is 48.
So hopefully the students got that answer correct.
Those are the basics of multiplication. Until you know the multiplication table, remember that you can always add a number multiple times, or use a calculator.
Next, we're going to add our final cut here. The rest is just credits, and we don't want students really to waste time on watching the end credits. So we'll add this final cut right here. And we're also going to add a note in the very beginning, just welcoming the students. Hello, class. Save that. And that will be everything. And that's how you use edpuzzle.